How you doing, people? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another review on the two packs that I bring, hiking mostly, which is the Sparrow 16 and the Sparrow 20. Two additions I made that I didn't mention in the last pack mode video was the Maxpedition Dump Pouches, the small one and the medium sized one here. I'll give you a closer look at the molly strappings I used to secure these accessories as well to the side. So I'll give you a closer look at that now. So this is the large one, dump pouch here, which I keep my underquilt in, my Cedar Ridge underquilt, and then I have the small dump pouch here on my Sparrow 16. So normally put my food in here, and then at the end of the day, when all my food's gone, I just roll it up, and it's really handy for that. These guys here keep the molly strapping, the shape on it too, so it doesn't get cinched up and ruined over time. And I can put my Gorilla Pod or my Thermarest here. I got them from AliExpress. The Olight Perun Mini, which is an excellent head torch. I leave that part on there, and then in here I carry the head strap for it, which just goes on like that, and then you have the head strap for it there. But I don't normally wear the head strap, which is why you can see it's nearly brand new and never used. I normally strap it on here like that, and so I secure it there with a Ridgeline Beaner mini titanium one from dutchweargear.com. So I have it on the strap there, which is the perfect chest height, so I don't have to wear it around my head, and it works out really well that way. Another addition I made to the packs are, if you look online, you can see that it's a weird design on the packs online, right? So the straps that come with it here, I actually cut them off and I put these on, and on this one here I put a D-ring on it. And if they actually cover the zips, they go over and cover the zips. It's a weird design, so I took them off and I just carried them in the pack like so, and I put this on the end of it, the little tag here on the ends, and you can get quite a good stretch out of it, so I could fit a tent on this. So if I go underneath here, show you, all I have to do is clip them in like that, and that's fully secure, it's not going anywhere. And then the other end like that, so you can see quite a large loop, some more expandable, some more as well, and them guys are going nowhere, and they're really easy to deploy, like, and then I just take them off when I'm not using them and store them back in here. So that's the extra additions I didn't mention in the pack mod video that I put onto the pack, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.